Tell me something when the rain falls on my face. How do you quickly replace it with a golden summer smile?
Hello at welcome back dito sa akin channel. So for this video, I'll be teaching you how to play Your Universe by Rico Blanco on a ukulele. So first, grab your ukulele, tune it to standard tuning, and let's begin. So una tayo sa intro. So intro chords ito ay G, then E minor, C, then A minor, then G. Then sa refrain ay C, A minor, G, then C, A minor, then E minor, G, A minor, then C minor. Sa adlib ay gamit lang yung intro chords. Then sa outro ay A minor, C minor, E minor, G, A minor, then C minor, G, E minor, C minor, then G. Then for the strumming pattern ay down, 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 then up, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, 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 then up, down, down, up, down, 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 then up, down, down, up, down, up, down, 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 then up, down, down, up, down, up.
Tell me something when the rain falls on my face. How do you quickly replace it with a golden summer smile? Tell me something when I'm feeling tired and afraid. How do you know just what to say to make everything alright? Think that you even realize how did you make me feel when I'm inside your universe. You hold me like I'm the one who's precious. I hate to break it to you, but it's just the other way around. You can thank your stars all you want, but I'll always be the lucky one. Tell me something when I'm about to lose control. How do you patiently hold my hand and gently calm me down? Tell me something when you sing and when you laugh. Why do I always photograph my heart flying way above the clouds? I don't think that you even realize that you make me feel when I'm inside your universe. You hold me like I'm the one that's precious. I hate to break it to you, but it's just the other way around. You can thank your stars all you want, but I'll always be the lucky one. Whoa. Don't think that you even realize the joy you make me feel when I'm inside your universe. You hold me like I'm the one who's precious. I hate to break it to you, but it's just the other way around. You can thank your stars all you want, but I'll always be a lucky one. You can thank your stars all you want, but I'll always be the lucky one. I'll always be the lucky one. I'll always be the lucky one.
So, yun ang kantang Your Universe by Rico Blanco. So, salamat sa panonood at kita-kits sa susunod na video.